Okay.
Friends, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. It's the Retard Rides Motard. We have a 2022 Husqvarna 701 here. Now this is a new style head. There was a great video about an older style head. So the one that only has a single balancer, this is a twin balancer, you've got a second balancer up here, on how to take the valve cover out, how to check the valves. I was really scratching my head here. I thought, it was probably barely worth a video. If you guys get this far, you're probably not going to need my help. On getting this thing back in, I'm like, no, wait, I've got to show you guys what's going on here. So there is a trick to taking out that valve cover, which I hope to show you now. So guys, if you find yourself getting a bit frustrated, just stop, take a breath, go have a beer or something, come back. I promise you that this is possible on the new style head. You don't need to drop the motor. So, like the other bloke was saying, start by taking all of your zip ties out. Try to free up the space as much as possible. So you can see kind of what's missing here. I've taken off these covers. I've freed up these cables here. Now, the important thing I've noticed, the difference between this motor and the old one, is that this cam and the bob weights for the exhaust valve, this thing just like holds the exhaust valve open at low RPM so it can kick it over. These little bolts will foul on the cover, and you can actually see the marks inside of the valve cover. It's not like this is just like tarnish, but that was like where I'm like, oh right, so that's what's going on. So you actually need to, after you've finished your valve check, your cam will be in the wrong position. It will be in a position which will foul on the head when you try to slip it back in when the engine's still in the frame. So what you need to do is just chuck it into 6th gear and just roll your wheel forward, just knock it forward. So this bob weight system will be like a vertical. So you can see that's like a TDC mark there. Ordinarily that'd be pointed there. So you just need to knock it forward just a touch, all right? Then it will go in nice and easy. Now I'm going to try to do this one hand. I'm just going to show you. Okay, that didn't work. Got my helper with the camera. So on first approach, what I've done is I've pushed the cover in like the other bloke did. But now making sure that those bob weights are horizontal, right? I'm going to push this in and then I'm going to push it down very slightly. You feel it like click across there. There's a red tag up the back here that holds the finger followers in place. I'm going to make sure that's up, push that down, and that's ready to bolt up. So it's all done. Cool.